How's it? Aloha, what's up? We're gonna get going again on another walk around this rock. So got a little not so nourishment from the famous Ted's Bakery, aka Sunset Beach Store. We're gonna get off on our way right now and start where we left off, which was Kawela Bay, okay? I'm actually gonna hop the bus in a second, which is always an experience. Head that way first, then walk back to where my car is parked. And hopefully we make it back that way so we don't have to walk on the road or catch the bus again, because nobody likes that. Anyway, let's go.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So that was awesome for somebody. I just found some random keys just right in the middle of the pathway that somebody had dropped, and saw a couple of people asking them, oh, these are keys, and nobody could identify them. And finally I found this guy, and he's like, oh yeah, is it a Toyota key? And I was like, yeah, that's it. Wish that would happen to me more often. Man, I've lost so many keys and done so many absent-minded things like that. You're welcome.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. 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 Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
So one of the things I'm really enjoying about this is taking off and not really knowing what to expect, not really knowing what I'm gonna come across, how all of this is gonna fit into something that hopefully you find interesting. You know, for some of this coastline, I know what I'm gonna see, more or less, but a lot of it I don't. I've never been on it, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this project in the first place. So, but one thing I will say, it's kind of interesting, and it's made this fun so far, is without knowing what to expect, without knowing what I'm gonna portray, what I'm gonna show you guys, without fail, every single week, there's been something that's like, whoa, that's cool. I'm glad I got out here and saw that. So, I don't know. subtle little plug here for applying that to everyday living in terms of getting out of your own regularities, if you will, your own rat race, if we want to call it that. If you get outside of that, I guarantee you're gonna see and find and experience something that you hadn't expected and that was a pleasant surprise and somehow benefited and augmented your life in some way.